Hey, bro. What do you think? Yeah.
서로 3캡으로 달린다.
살리고 있어. 애쉬의 발소리. 군대질하며. 씨발. 뒤에 왔어. 그러면 또 릴리스폰.
Infantry?
내 몸보단 살짝 남쪽.
바로. 진짜 병신이야. 순수 패급이네.
우리 전방에 딱 요 라디오 날라간대. 아니 라디오를 씨발 왜 이렇게 탱크는 잡았나 보네. 한국어로 쌍욕 박아야 상대도 알아들음. 터졌어요?
불 붙었어.
네.
화형식 진행 중.
때렸다. 찔했네.
때렸어. 스무나, 돌아다닌다, 여기.
솔로를 봤어. 솔로 머리 봤어.
이거 탭.
술탄 내줄 수 있대. 햄티 잡음. 아 햄티 맞다.
아이, 스나 찾기 귀찮다.
여기 뭔 소리야? 아니 나 어떤 건지 몰라가지고.
동쪽에 있을 듯? 개같이 들어오는데.
중앙에 MTF 소리. 여기 MTF 소리.
씨발.
얘들 남쪽에 많음. 얘네 여섯 띄움 차기. 적군 박격 여기.
나가지 못해.
같이 죽은 것 같은데.
같이 죽었어.
딱 랠리 뜨는데 적군.
아이, 참, 씨. 막아야 돼. 아이.
야, 여기 얘들 여기로 넣어. 이게 나을 것
조금만 더
같은데.
해봐.
Hide the tank. Mark the power marker, yeah. Wait, that's not a tank. That's a tank. It's 62. No, can you mark the power marker? Guys, I'm not there. Can you help me mark the guy? Alright, I told the man. Very nice. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a tank, impossible. Like,
There's only two other logics here, so you can ask
yeah,
for
go
6 for
resupply.
you.
Bravo squad. How many tanks go down the main road? Is it 2 tanks or 1 tank? No, 3 tanks. Oh, okay. So, on Bravo marker, is it? Copy that. Charlie Mark gain the second launch and try to make your way to Charlie marker or something like that. They're inside building here. Tank is coming. Charlie marker built the hab. For some reason the hab is not built.
Gotcha.
One tank is carrying on my problem mark. Hey, hi, keep up with it. These of you. Okay. Okay.
Want me to keep resupplying this radio or make my way to you?
Let me see first. Keep supplying this. Because our mechanized. Oh, okay, they're there. Copy that. Yeah, our airborne space plan is hitting, so we need to defend. Thanks, still alive. Sorry, what's Bravo observe? I think they made a fob there. Something over there.
Skulle pas med till.
Oh shit, Scotty, I just got hit with a lat.
Yeah, people in the petrol station. I think he ran across.
And I'll be right there.
Yeah.
This guy here.
Wait, that's never mind, Jack, because there's an enemy AT nearby somewhere. They're shooting our heavy. Where's enemy heavy? Copy that. Okay.
Yeah, they're
Sorry.
here. Northeast.
I think a Bravo mark can be fine. There's enemy hive on north side.
This is me, you fucker, you killed me earlier.
Is that right?
Which radio marker you talking about? The yellow operation map? Wait a sec.
Yep.
What radio? I'm not sure what radio you're talking about. Oh yeah, that radio tag radio. E2 on South Launcher Tower. Yeah, the tank squad found it. They destroyed the enemy hab already.
Hey, there's enemy positions on.
You see, enemy hab on radio. is on the radio, not the hab. Okay.
Enemy hub and enemy radio.
Charlie squad, safe first. You guys there. Bravo squad, how many people in Bravo squad? Pole, I think Pole to mark, you also go safe.
I heard a track sound and...
Hold on. I'll move after he passes.
Lossie, you run away for now. No. The enemy BMP is very near. He can find our radio and just run. Our location is compromised. Alright, I'll move the Lossie away first.
David is some. The one shot.
Alright, but your job right now is to attack Central Nava first.
12 o'clock.
Hell no.
We
Excuse me.
need more men in here.
Where? Sigma Cat, can you spawn at E4? Spawn at E4. Because I want you guys to... I want browse to press already. Listen.
Radio and hab mark southwest of Nava is accurate.
It's accurate. It's accurate, yeah. Yeah, please do video. I need you guys to hunt down the enemy radio at Alpha marker. Take down the radio at Alpha marker. K48 and 6
Just standing on a hill.
Take down the radio.
There's enemy vehicle nearby though.
Just keep taking down. Take it down if you like.
We'll make our way to there.
There's a guy waiting inside the hab.
Tole, did you spawn at me? No, you spawned there. Okay.
Too many enemies come here.
Detail 2, fall back.